So let's start. Today we are going to start the topic standard costing. And another name of standard costing is variance analysis. Another name of standard costing is variance analysis. Okay. So to go for the further discussion, or before go for the further discussion, I would like to clear you, or I would like to explain you the meaning of these three most important terms. That is standard cost, and standard costing. The first thing is standard. Standard means what? Standard, that means a particular criteria of quality, quantity, or we can say the desirable things which is needed, expected, that is called standard. Normally, this word standard we are using in context of our life, that is called standard of living. So the standard means high standard, low standard, this kind of words normally we used in our daily life. So what is standard? Standard, that means what we expect. The standard, that means what we are thinking about related to particular thing. Say for example, if we are talking about movies, then it is Amitabh Bachchan's movie, so it is good. We are expecting something. Okay, it is a lecture of particular professor, then we are expecting something, some quality we expected. That is called a standard. Standard is one kind of mindset, we can say. High standard, low standard, depend on quality, depend on quantity, depend on services and all that. That is called standard. Pre-decided thing or predetermined thing that you are expecting before doing that thing. It should be like that. Or some people said it must be like that, that it is called a standard. In Gujarati, we can say આવું હોવું જોઈએ, આટલું તો જોઈએ જ. That is called standard. આનાથી નીચે નહીં. That is our standard. પાસ થવું હોય તો એટલીસ્ટ 40% તો લાવવા જ પડે. That is called standard. એક standard fix કર્યું છે. છોકરો એટલીસ્ટ ગ્રેજ્યુએટ તો હોવું જ જોઈએ. That's a standard. It's our expectation. In normal terms, when we are talking about the standard, then the meaning of standard is this, that we are expected. Okay. Now, second is standard cost. Standard cost means what? Standard cost means predetermined cost, expected cost for the production of particular product or to provide a particular service. Okay, minimum cost at least required for a particular kind of quality, that is called standard cost. It is predetermined cost. The another name is predetermined cost. Determined before production is called standard cost. Decided on the basis of some scientific rules. It means the predicted cost before production on scientific basis is called standard cost to maintain a particular quantity, to maintain a particular quality. Whether high standard or low standard, that is another thing, but standard means predetermined cost. Standard cost means predetermined cost. પહેલેથી નક્કી કરેલી કોસ્ટ. It's not budgeted cost, mind well. Budgeted cost is different thing. Standard cost means the cost which is determined, estimated before production on scientific basis to maintain a particular level of quantity or level of quality. That is called standard cost, predetermined cost. And third is standard costing. So the process of determining the standard cost and comparison with the actual cost, find out the variances and try to maintain the favorable variances and try to avoid the adverse variances and to put the effective control. That whole system is known as standard costing. So these are the pre-words we must be learned before go through the chapter of standard costing. Right? I hope you understand the meaning of this standard and standard cost and standard costing. Do you have any confusion? It is clear? Okay. Now, this chapter is based on variances. Standard costing is based on variances. Variances means what? Variance means difference. Some people say it variance. So either you say it variance or variance, it's okay, having same meaning. In Gujarati, it is known as tafawat. It is the difference between actual and standard. Whatever you decided, pre-decided, and what the actual result is. The difference between this is known as variance. So variance, maybe there are two types of variances. Either adverse, that means negative, unfavorable. And the another is favorable, positive variance. Now, if we are talking about the cost variances, then if actual is more than the standard, then it is called adverse. And if actual is less than the standard, then it is called favorable. And when we are talking about the sales variance, if actual is more, then it is favorable. If actual is less, then it is adverse. So it's a variance is nothing. Variance is just a comparison of actual and standard. Actual અને standard ની comparison કરવાની છે. અને comparison ઉપરથી આપણે કહેવાનું છે કે સારું છે કે ખરાબ છે, પોઝિટિવ છે કે નેગેટિવ છે. ત્યારે costing ની વાત આપણે કરીએ, when we are talking about the costing, then you know that if costing is less, then it is good. So if you decided, pre-decided 10 rupees costing, and if your actual cost is 9 rupees, then it is favorable. Or if it is more than 10, then it is called adverse. And when we are talking about the income variances like sales variance, then the position is completely different. So the another name of standard costing is variance analysis. So this is based on the calculation of variance of the different elements of costs. And different elements of cost are material, labor, overhead, etc., etc. So each having separate is each required separate discussion. And today, first we are talking about this types of variances. So variances are broadly classified into two categories. It's cost variance and sales variance. This is in your syllabus. According to our syllabus, we are talking cost variance and sales variance. And one is expenses variance, one is sales variance. And cost variances are classified into three categories, that is material variance, labor variance, and overhead variance. And each required separate discussion, mind well. Each required separate discussion. So first we start with the cost variances. And in cost variances, we start with the material variances. Okay. So the first is material variances. Material is the most important component of the cost, direct cost. So material variances means difference between actual material cost and standard material cost you decided. How to determine the material cost variance? So it's a formula on your screen. Standard cost minus actual cost. In short, we can say SC minus AC. SC means standard cost, AC means actual cost. Or the detailed meaning of SC means standard cost, standard quantity for actual production into standard price. Standard quantity for actual production. ખરેખર જેટલું પ્રોડક્શન થયું છે એના માટે સ્ટાન્ડર્ડલી કેટલું માલ જોઈએ, કેટલી ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં મટીરિયલ જોઈએ. That is standard quantity for actual production into standard price minus actual quantity in actual into actual price. This is the long formula, but the shortcut is SC minus AC. But the meaning, complete meaning is this. Or the another formula is standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity to actual price. Here standard quantity means standard quantity for actual production as mentioned above. Okay, so all formulas having same meaning, you just different presentation is there, right? But the actual meaning is standard quantity means standard quantity for actual production into standard price. SP means standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So this is the main formula, and this is master variance, main variance, total variance of material cost. Material cost માં જે કુલ તફાવત આવે છે એ variance આ છે. હવે આના ટુકડા થશે. This is main variance. Okay, understood the formula? First formula is clear. Okay. Now material variance are classified into two categories, that is called material price and material uses variance. First is material price variance. So the formula is actual quantity into bracket standard price minus actual price. Or in short, we can write AQ into bracket SP minus AP. This is the formula. And another is material uses variance. Standard price into bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. Or the shortcut formula is standard price into bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity. So these are the two bifurcation of the material cost variance. Material cost variance જે total variance છે એ કયા કારણથી થાય છે? So these are the two reason. Either uses is differ or the price is differ. કાં તો ઉપયોગમાં, યુઝેસમાં, કન્ઝમ્પશનમાં તફાવત આવ્યો છે અને કાં તો પછી પ્રાઇઝમાં તફાવત આવ્યો છે. આ બેમાંથી કોઈ એક વસ્તુ હોઈ શકે છે. કઈ વસ્તુ છે? ક્લિયર? એટલા માટે આપણે વધારાના બે વેરિયન્સ ગણીએ છીએ. ઓકે, તો ફોર્મ્યુલા ક્લિયર છે. હવે એને સમજવા માટે, પ્રેક્ટિકલી સમજવા માટે, ટુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ઇટ વેલ, લેટ્સ ગો ફોર અ પ્રેક્ટિકલ એક્ઝામ્પલ. ઓકે, સો ધીસ ઇઝ ધી final picture of material variances. Material cost variance is classified into two categories, material price variance and material usage variance. Mind well, the total of material price and material usage is always equal to material cost variance. Material price and material usage નું total હંમેશા material cost variance ની બરાબર થશે, થવું જ જોઈએ. Then your example is considered as correct. Understood? Material price variance plus material usage variance is equal to material cost variance. Okay, now it's a simple example before you, right? Very simple example. From the following data, calculate the material variances. આના ઉપરથી material variance તમારે calculate કરવાના છે. Very simple. All the things are provided. You just require to put the values in the formula and you will get your answer. Very easy, right? Standard quantity is given, standard price is given, and total, that means multiply of standard quantity into price, and actual quantity is given, actual price is given, and multiplication is given. These are the data available to you and you are required to calculate material variances. No any specification is given in the example, then how many variances are possible, how many variances are required to calculate. So in this simple kind of example, maximum 3 variants are possible. Maximum 3, not more than 8. Not necessary to ask material variances, then we have to calculate 3 variants. કશું જ ન કીધું હોય તો આપણે 3 વેરિયન્સ ગણવાના જ છે અને આ 3 વેરિયન્સ આ પ્રમાણે છે. પહેલું વેરિયન્સ મટીરિયલ કોસ્ટ વેરિયન્સ, ફોર્મ્યુલા આપણે આગળ જોયું. સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઇન્ટુ સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ પ્રાઇસ માઇનસ એક્ચ્યુઅલ ક્વોન્ટિટી ઇન્ટુ એક્ચ્યુઅલ price. Okay, standard quantity is how much? 200. Standard price is 2. Actual quantity 240 and 1.75. You can see. So 400 minus 420, answer is 20 minus. 20 minus. Means you expected 400 cost, but actual cost is 420. તમે અપેક્ષા કરી હતી કે 400 રૂપિયા કોસ્ટ થશે, પણ ખરેખર 420 થઈ, 20 રૂપિયા વધારે થઈ. કોસ્ટ વધારે થઈ તો સારું કહેવાય, ખરાબ કહેવાય? If your expenses is more than expected, then it is good or bad? Bad. So it is, that's why A I mention here. A means adverse. Bracket માં જે A લખ્યું છે એનું મતલબ adverse થાય છે. The another name is unfavorable. તમે unfavorable બી કહી શકો છો, right? If we are refer the Sudhir Prakashan book, then word unfavorable is used. So unfavorable means adverse. Okay, so and normally the formula are set in such a manner, then if minus figure is there, it is called adverse, and plus figure is there, answer is minus, then it is adverse. તો આમાં minus આવે છે એટલે adverse કહી શકીએ. પણ બધા એક્ઝામ્પલમાં એવું નથી હોતું, બધા ફોર્મ્યુલામાં એવું નથી હોતું. ક્યાંક ક્યાંક આપણે જાતે સમજવું પડે છે. That's why we are strictly, it is stated strictly in the we can say guidelines that as far as standard costing is concerned, you must be mention A or F, either U or F with the answer that it is adverse or favorable. You must be mention. આ મેન્શન કરવું જરૂરી છે, એટલે આપણે A લખીએ છીએ. A means adverse, તમે U પણ લખી શકો unfavorable નો માટે. Then next is material price variance. Material price variance formula is actual quantity into standard price minus actual price. Now the things you have, 240 is actual quantity, standard price is 2 minus 1.75, answer is 60, favorable. Correct? I think it is not need to more explanation, it's enough. Now material uses variance, standard price into bracket standard quantity minus actual quantity, 2 into bracket 200 minus 240. So your answer is 80, adverse. In material price variance, it is favorable because positive answer. Right? You have decided 2 rupees, but actual price is 1.75, it is less than standard, and that's why there is a benefit, profit. So it is favorable, and users variance is adverse. Now total of 80 and 60, 80 minus and 60 plus, and when you sum up, add it, then what is the answer? 80 negative હોય, 60 positive હોય, તો બંનેનું total કરીએ તો 20 negative આવે કે ના આવે? So the total of material uses variance and material price variance is material cost variance. Material cost variance ના બે ટુકડા છે, બંનેનો સરવાળો ઉપરની બરાબર થાય છે. Okay, you can see this verification table given here, verification diagram given here at the last, and it is compulsory to prepare this diagram. આ diagram તમારે બનાવવાનું છે દરેક આન્સરની સાથે. Tally your answer. So this is tally here. Get it? ટેલી થાય છે અહીંયા, સમજાય છે ને? Okay, so this is the first example, very simple example we have calculated. Okay, let's take one more example. હજી એક example લઈએ. What is saying? A factory operates a system of standard costing. The standard determine specified that for the production of 4,000 unit of product, 20,000 kilogram raw material to be used at ₹5 per kilogram. 4,000 યુનિટ બનાવવા માટે 20,000 કિલોગ્રામ રો મટીરિયલની જરૂર છે, 5 રૂપિયા એનો પ્રાઇસ છે. 5 રૂપિયા એનો પ્રાઇસ છે. ઓકે, તો 5 રૂપિયાના ભાવનો 20,000 કિલોગ્રામ મટીરિયલ 4,000 યુનિટના પ્રોડક્શન માટે જોઈએ. આ તમારું સ્ટાન્ડર્ડ છે. When actual 4,000 unit were produced, it was found that 22,000 kilogram of material was used and actual price paid was 5.5 per kilogram. Calculate material variances. ખરેખર 4,000 યુનિટ બનાયા તો 22,000 કિલોગ્રામ યુઝ થયું છે અને 5.50 એની પ્રાઇસ હતી. હવે આની અંદર ચાર વસ્તુ આપણે જરૂરી છે. 4 things we required: standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity and actual price. So what is standard quantity here? No, it's wrong answer. We are talking about material variances and unit is not material. This 20,000 is your standard quantity and this 5 rupees is your standard price, right? And when actual 4,000 unit you produce, then 22,000 kilogram is your actual quantity of material. We are talking about material and this is your actual price. Actual price is 5.5. Got it? Okay. Now put these values in the formula and simply you will get your answer. Okay. Can you tell me what is material cost variance? You just calculate on your notebook and tell me the answer. Then after we will go for the next slide and check our answer. You just calculate on your notebook and tell me the answer. First, material cost variance. Standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity into actual price. So what is your answer? Let's check. Adverse or favorable? Adverse or favorable? I'm asking you a question. Adverse. So let's check. 21,000 adverse. Very good. Clear? So standard quantity into standard price minus actual quantity to actual price. 20,000 into 5 minus 22,000 into 5.5. 1 lakh minus 1 lakh 21,000 is 21,000 adverse. Very simple. Okay, now material price variance. I need not to explain you actual quantity into bracket standard price minus actual price. 22,000 into bracket 5 minus 5.5. Clear? It is given in the example 11,000 adverse and material uses variance standard price standard quantity minus actual quantity 5 into bracket 20,000 minus 22,000. Answer is 10,000 adverse. It is clear? And then after verification, okay, this verification is compulsory to shown with your answer. So example is very easy. Okay, so in this basic kind of example, there are only three variants. A basic example in the ત્રણ variants થાય. Only three variants are possible. And here we are using single material. એક જ material use કરીએ છે. So when single material is used, number one, only three variants are possible. Single material use થાય ત્રણ જ variants possible થશે. Material cost, material price, material uses. And material price and uses is equal to total of this two is equal to material cost variance. Right? It's simple thing. આ ત્રણ થી ચોથું variance possible થશે નહીં. Done? આટલે સુધીમાં કોઈ doubt? કોઈ confusion? No. So let's take one more example. એક હજી લઈ લઈએ. Okay. Example number 3. Now it is little bit tricky question. From the standard cost card, it is revealed that 5 kilogram of material is needed at 20 per kilogram to produce 1 unit of product during March 2019. When 200 units were produced, 1,050 kilogram of material were used at rupees 18 per kg. compute the material variance. Here again not specified how many material variance are required to be calculated. So it depend on you. You need to determine, you need to decide. So here single kind of material is used, that's why three variants are possible: material cost, material price, material use. Simple, right? So four components we required: material cost, material means standard quantity, standard price, actual quantity, actual price. So what is standard cost, standard quantity here? Standard quantity कितना है बताइए? What is standard quantity? If you saying 5 kilogram, then it is wrong answer. I am clearly stated you. 5 kilogram is wrong answer. It is not the standard quantity. Okay, be careful. What he is saying, from the standard cost card, it is revealed that 5 kilogram material is needed at rupees 20 per kilogram to produce 1 unit. एक यूनिट માટે 5 કિલોગ્રામ જોઈએ છે. Your actual production is 200 unit. So standard quantity means standard quantity for actual production. So if 1 unit required 5 kilogram, then 200 unit required how many kilogram? 1000 kilogram. So this 1000 is your standard quantity. Mind well. Okay. અને જ્યારે બી આપણે કમ્પેરિઝન કરતા હોય ને, ઇક્વલ કમ્પેરિઝન થાય. સમજો, હિયર actual quantity is 1050 kilogram, correct? Actual material consumed is 1000 kilogram. So 1050 and 5, there is no any comparison of it. If you are thinking that 5 is your standard quantity. Okay, ટાયરના ટ્રેક્ટરનું સાયકલના ટાયરના સોરી ટ્રેક્ટરના ટાયરને સાયકલના ટાયર સાથે કમ્પેરિઝન ના હોય. બે સાયકલના ટાયરને કમ્પેર કરી શકો, બે ટ્રેક્ટરના ટાયરને કમ્પેર કરી શકો. ઓકે, બે 100 કિલોગ્રામ વાળા માણસ જોડે કુસ્તી કરાવી શકો. એક 40 કિલો વાળા માણસ જોડે તમે 100 કિલોગ્રામ વાળા માણસની કુસ્તી ના કરી શકો, કમ્પેરિઝન ના થાય. આ બહુ ધ્યાન રાખવાનું છે એક્ઝામ્પલ ગણતી વખતે. બી કેરફુલ, right? And standard price is 20 rupees and actual price is 18 rupees. Very simple. And now the four component you have, very simple, you can calculate the answers. Okay, so here is the answer. Let's see. તમે mindly ગણિત કાઢ્યું હશે. Let's see. Standard quantity is 1000 kilogram, as I explained you. Understood? Is there any confusion in this standard quantity? No. Standard price is 20. Actual quantity is 1050 and actual price is 18 kilogram per kg. Okay, then this is the final solution of it. Very simple. I think it is not need to read it the whole solution. It is before you, you can read it. This is material cost variance, material price variance, and material usage variance, and this is your verification. So hope you understand. It is all for now. Meet you in the next lecture, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the material usage variance and other important variances of the uh, material variances. So thank you very much for seeing this video. If you like this video, then uh, hit the like button. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe my channel and keep watching. Okay, meet you soon in the next video. Thank you very much.